Suzlon shares have rallied over 270% this year, from just about 10 rupees to over 38 rupees now. But why has there been such a sharp rally in Suzlon, and are the prices of Suzlon really justified? Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I am Sakshi Patra, and in this video we will discuss everything about Suzlon, also the latest report by Kotak Institutional Equities and what has it really said in its recent strategy note about Suzlon and the outlook on Suzlon's prices. Kotak Institutional has said that its reverse valuation exercise on Suzlon shows many flaws in market's approach to valuation of companies. This domestic brokerage house has said that its math shows that there is an increase in market capitalization of Suzlon, which is far ahead of the likely value creation from incremental capacity addition for the next several years, let alone the next few years of potential opportunity for the companies even in the best case scenario. Kotak Institutional has said that the stock prices of electricity generation equipment suppliers like Suzlon have increased sharply over the past few months only on anticipation of a large step up in generation capacity. Shares of Suzlon are up 270% in 2023 so far, but even the long-term charts will tell you that the stock is up 738% in the last 5 years. Once a penny stock now is trading near 40 rupees mark. The brokerage house feels that India is unlikely to add large amounts of coal-based thermal generation capacity or even wind-based renewable capacity, given the superior economics of solar-based electricity versus wind-based electricity. To justify its market cap, Kotak has said that Suzlon will need to deliver wind turbine generator corresponding to 8 to 12 gigawatts of new wind generation capacity every year in perpetuity. This, it said, is unlikely as India has added only 8.6 gigawatts of the new wind generation capacity over the last 5 years, that's starting financial year 2018 all the way up to 2023. Suzlon has added mere 2 gigawatts of the total wind generation capacity in the same period. Kotak Institutional Equities has therefore questioned the market's propensity to give multiples, high multiples to boot to limited opportunity earnings of companies in certain sectors. The electrification theme in vogue currently is therefore a good example of this laxity. Kotak Institutional says, while pharmaceuticals on the other hand had its own problems historically but less currently so. Lastly, it's also mentioned the tendency to use multiples for non-recurring earnings is most prevalent in the periods of extreme bullishness in the markets that we are witnessing right now. Kotak has also mentioned that the market's excessive focus on near-term earning results is an exaggeration of the fair values of companies on both sides. As a corollary, the results in the market participants being more inclined to momentum, investment and an increasingly common phenomena in investing as well. And therefore, in case you have been spellbound by the rally that you may have seen on Suzlon in the recent past, and you may have been feeling a fear of missing out on this penny stock which has now created a lot of wealth for investors in 2023 so far, hold on, do speak to your financial advisor before taking any rush step. We will be telling you more about such stocks that are listed on stock exchanges, so do stay with us on Business Today Television.